This is me, Nicole, the cat, and I'm sorry that I haven't put my webcam on for a couple of days, well, for like ages, because I've been moving house. I did do some vlogs, and I couldn't find my webcam for like a long time, and I have moved house. So now I have my speakers, everything, and my squeaky chair, as you can hear, probably. I am seeing if the mic works, so if it doesn't, I'm really sorry, but if it does, then that is great. So if it doesn't work, then I will of course record this again. So yeah. But yeah, this person gave me a comment on my video, this video, saying, "Oh man, OMG, I'm your biggest fan, please give me a shout out." Even though I probably don't have good not good fans. Everyone's good. Like, I'm sorry. But I mean, like, I probably don't have fans, since I'm just a person. And my videos are rubbish. I know that. But yeah, shout out to, I'm sorry if I say your name wrong, Lisa Carindle. Carindle? Carindle. I think I said that right, and I really hope I do. But yeah, everyone, have a good day, and I will do another video today after I set up my recordings a little bit more. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!